Racing just is started. We have a Jude break quickly at the start. Moving up Sikula pencil away. Brown baby in the middle glass cockpit. Sugar free. Then comes Prima Ballerina. All my life. Then next on line is Green Diamond. Then followed over by Golden You. Then going along for the first turn. We have pencil away. Takes command by about 3 lengths. Glass cockpit in second, Hey Jude, then followed her by Kuda Brown Baby, moving a party outside Sugar Free, then next on line now is Prima Ballerina, then followed over by entry number 4, All My Life, Green Diamond, Golden You, and Unica Champa. Back to the leader, we have Pencil away by about 3 lengths, Glass Cockpit still in second, All My Life, now moving up to take third, and on the outside Sugar Free, Prima Ballerina like twice now moving up. Then comes Hey Jude, Unica Champa. Then followed her by Golden You, Kuda, Green Diamond, while Brown Baby now racing in 11th. And as they swing for home, we have Pencil away moving a party outside. Now is All My Life. Pencil away. All My Life is already outside, but it's still Pencil away, followed by All My Life. It's Pencil away, All My Life, and finally it's going to be Pencil away, All My Life, Hey Jude, Unica Champ, then comes Sugar Free and Prima Ballerina for your Super 6.
8